Hello, welcome to Lane Medical Library's video introducing the basics of the NIH Data Management and Sharing Policy, also called the DMS policy, affecting all grants, contracts, and other proposals received after January 25, 2023 that involved the generation of scientific data. In this brief video, you'll learn about the requirements of this policy, its scope, and how to comply. Links and additional resources will be provided in the video's description and on related pages maintained by Lane Library. Through the DMS policy, NIH requires researchers to prospectively plan for how their data will be managed, preserved, and shared. At its core, the DMS policy requires two things: the completion of a data management and sharing plan, and compliance with the plan as approved by the appropriate NIH ICO. These plans, often called DMSPs or just DMPs, are two-page documents submitted as part of applicable grants, contracts, and other proposals. A DMSP should reflect the proposed approach to data management and data sharing at the time it is prepared, and should also be updated during the course of the award or support period to reflect any changes in the management and sharing of data. Depending on the funding institute, center, or office, there may also be specific expectations that apply and should be reflected in the plan. This policy is designed to complement other data-related policies at NIH, such as those of individual institutes, centers, or those set out by specific calls for proposals. NIH recommends the following 6 elements be included in a data management and sharing plan. Please note that each of these will be covered in additional detail in another video. Data types, related software and code, data standards, data preservation, access, and associated timelines, access, distribution, and reuse considerations, and oversight of data management and sharing. Individual institutes, centers, and calls for proposals may have specific requirements for how to address each of these, such as the use of specific data standards or data repositories. When the corresponding applications are submitted, data management and sharing plans undergo compliance review. Program staff at the appropriate NIH center or institute assess the plan to ensure that the recommended elements have been adequately addressed. During the peer review process for the overall application, reviewers will not be asked to comment on the plan. Applications selected for funding will only be funded if the data management and sharing plan is complete and acceptable. Following award, recipients are required to comply with the version of the plan that was approved by their funding NIH institute or center. DMS plans may be updated during regular reporting intervals, such as the annual Research Performance Progress Report or RPPR process. Failure to comply with the approved version of the plan may result in an enforcement action, including additional terms and conditions or termination of the award. This may also affect future funding decisions. As part of the DMS policy, research teams can include costs related to data management and sharing into their direct costs. Specific activities that can be budgeted for include curating data and developing supporting documentation, local data management considerations, and preserving and sharing data through established repositories. We have provided more information about this in the additional materials and in the video description. Thank you for watching Lane Library's video covering the basics of the NIH Data Management and Sharing Policy. If you would like to learn more about the DMS policy or have questions about this or other topics, please contact us. You can reach out to Lane Library via email, chat, or by phone. Thank you.